coders! Welcome to Movie Log, the ultimate console program for movie enthusiasts.
And I am Ruth.
I am Noemi.
I'm Angelica.
And I am Pauline. And together, we're here to guide you through the concept and actual code of this program.
So what exactly is Movie Log?
Movie Log is a system designed to make it easy for users to keep track of the movies they watch.
Whether you're a casual moviegoer or hardcore cinephile, Movie Log is the perfect tool for organizing your movie watching experience.
Now, let's dive into the code and see how it works.
Once you enter the program, you will see a welcome message and the main menu. You can choose among these options. Let us first add a movie. The program will prompt you to enter the movie title, the date you have watched it, your feedback to the movie, and then the genre. After that, the movie added successfully message will be printed. Let us repeat the same operation to store different movie logs. Then after, let us choose View Movie Logs. Once we enter it, there's a submenu that asks to choose once again whether to search by title, search by genre, just print the movie logs, or to go back to main menu. Let us try searching first. The program will ask us to enter the title we want to search. So I will put Bride for Rent. Then it will show you the details or logs of that movie as well as the movie log number. Next, let us search by genre. I'll input drama, then it will output all the movie logs with that genre. Then now, let us choose to print all of the movie logs. Before that, the program will prompt the user to choose whether to sort it by date or alphabetically. First, by date. There we have it. You can see in the date watched that all movie logs are arranged by date. Next, alphabetically. Here we can notice in the title of the movies that it is now sorted by alphabets. Lastly, we quit the program and then it will say, "Thank you for using the program." Now let us analyze the source code. Alright, let's start with the basic structure of our movie log program. We'll be using C++ for this project as it offers simplicity and flexibility. First, we import the necessary libraries. We also have here the namespace declarations. Then the const int max movies is equals to 100 that defines a constant max movies representing the maximum number of movies that can be stored. Next is the function declaration. Function prototypes are declared here to inform the compiler about the function names, parameters, and return types before their actual implementations. Then we have our main functions. We will first have the declaration of arrays. First, we have the string titles enclosed in a square bracket, int dates watched, string feedbacks, string genres, int movie logs, and int num movies that is also initialized in 0. Then as you can see, we have a do while loop here that will continue running as long as the user's choice is not 3, which is the quit. This program uses a switch condition to test the user's choice, and then let us analyze each cases. In case 1, we have the add movie function. So what is inside this function? First, we have a function declaration for add movie that takes the several parameters. First is the titles, an array of strings to store the movie titles. We have the dates watched, an array of integers to store the dates when the movies were watched. Feedbacks, an array of strings to store user feedback for each movie. And then the genres, an array of strings to store the genre of the movie. And so on and so forth. Now, in the function body, we start by checking if the number of movies enclosed in a parenthesis non-movies has reached the maximum limit. If it has, we display a message indicating that the movie log is full and will return from the function. If the movie log is not full, we proceed to gather information about the new movie. Once all the information is collected, we update the movie log arrays. We assign the movie number, which is represented by the num movies plus 1, to the corresponding index in the movie logs array. This helps us to keep track of the order in which movies were added. Finally, we increment the num-movies variable to reflect the addition of a new movie to the log, and then the program will prompt you to enter any key to go back to the menu.
Now, in case 2, you will encounter a submenu that has option if you want to search by title alphabetically or want to print the logs. Let us first analyze the first option, search by title. This function takes several parameters that were declared as array in above code. Then, the function prompts the user to enter the title of movie they want to search for. Next, it iterates through the movie log array to find movies with title matching their user input. Now, let's move on to the search by genre. This function operates similarly to search by title, but instead of searching by title, it searches for movie based on their genre. It prompts the user to enter the genre they want to search for. Then, it iterates through the movie log array to find movies with genre matching the user input. When a match is found, it displays the details of the movie in the same manner as search by title.
We first use the insertion sort algorithm to sort the movie logs by date in ascending order, where it first needs to take the arrays, date watch, titles, feedbacks, genres, and movie logs along with the number of movies as parameters. The function iterates over the movie logs starting from the second element. For each iteration, it selects the current date, title, feedback, genre, and movie log as the key values. It then compares the key date with the previous dates in the sorted subarray and shifts the elements to the right to make space for the key value in the correct position. Then finally inserts the key values in the correct position in the sorted subarray. This process continues until all movie logs are sorted by date. On the other hand, let's talk about the selection sort that we use to sort the movie logs by title in alphabetical order. Similar to the insertion sort by date, we took the array titles, date watch, feedbacks, genres, and movie logs along with the number of movies as parameters. This function iterates over the movie logs using two nested for loops. In each iteration, it finds the minimum title in the unsorted subarray and swaps it with the current element. The same with the insertion sort, this process continues until all movie logs are sorted by title, which helps arrange the movie logs alphabetically by title, making it convenient to search for specific movies. After the sorting functions are selected, it will print the data in the sorted arrays on a tabular form.
In our system, we designed to display a list of movie logs in a structured table format. As you can see here, here's the function named print movie logs, accept arrays containing movie titles, date watch, feedbacks, genres, and log numbers along with an integer specifying the number of movies. It begins by printing column headers of the movie log number, title, date watch, feedback, and genre, ensuring each header is properly aligned using formatting functions like setW and setQ. Following the headers, the function iterates over each movie log entry and prints the details in rows, aligning each piece of information under its respective header.
And there you have it. That's the concept and code behind movie log. Thanks for watching and happy coding!